gold futures. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 100 chart. We are in negative MACD territory. We're at oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we are in negative MACD and at oversold condition with the RSI. We have broken below the 200 moving average, this green line, and that is at a price of $1,805.70. As we extend out to the daily chart, we are in positive MACD. We did see it diverge, and as with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $165.77, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $170.72, and my stop loss is at $163.82. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $171.71, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $167.75, and my stop loss is at $173.73. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 33% chance to climb between 0 to 2%, a 33% chance to climb between 2 to 4%, and to the downside a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.